Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, I need you to look at the camera.
I'm looking at the TV all the time.
Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is a very quick video on a 22-month update on a 25 or 26-year-old guy. And here he is before, and he'll do a video in here and we interview him. But he has a public job, and he came in with what, class 3 hair loss with few hairs in the front. And like most school teachers, I think he did it too soon before the school year, but that's what happens. And so we did him, and then he went back to teaching. And I remember his wife was all into Star Trek, and I'm into Star Trek, so we had something to talk about. But I think they like Deep Space Nine, and I didn't really like Deep Space Nine. I don't know. But anyhow, that's all I really remember.
This is what I remember about him. What you say you remember all those things on what? Star Trek. I know you guys were talking that and some Star Wars.
Star Trek wedding.
Yeah. No. Well, anyways.
I think so.
But I like the look that he's carrying now.
Yeah, I mean, he looks like a couple of guys I went to college with the hair kind of dyed like that. So, anyhow, he did this video. All right, Steve. It's okay if I use your face on here, right?
Yes.
So I can't remember, how old a fellow are you?
I'm 35.
Wow, I thought you were younger than that. And so your old pictures are up to the right of you in this video. And I haven't seen you since the day you got your stitches that came out. And all I remember is that you like Star Trek like I do.
Yes.
And we argued about the original series.
Yes.
But you look good. Let me get this comb. But you look good, and it's grown in. Bend your head down one time. And I remember your wife was here. And you guys didn't you have a Star Trek wedding or something?
We had a Halloween wedding.
Halloween wedding, yeah. I do have something. I got not a great memory for names and faces, but I remember obscure stuff like that. So was I up front with you? To come in like I told you I was? And
yeah, 100%.
No bullshit at this office? You
no.
Give any grief? So
no.
Turn around and face the wall. I'm going to show you your scar. Lean down just a smidgen. It might take me a minute to find it here. Let's see. Yeah, right there. So as I just told you, that I would give that a B to a B+. And you asked what's an A scar? It's when it's so skinny that you have a hard time seeing it and there's hair sticking out all through it. But that's what you got. Turn back around. Any advice you want to give people that might be looking at this?
I mean, I'm completely happy with the results. You can see that I have my hair dyed now, which I would have wanted to do before, but I never would have because I didn't feel, confident about my hair. So I would say definitely go for it because I'm completely happy with it.
And how much did it's been 2 years, but how much did the whole thing hurt? Do you remember a lot of pain or not much pain?
It wasn't that bad. Honestly, the most painful part was just the stitches in the back, and once they came out, it wasn't so bad. The part at the front was the part that looked the most intense, but it really didn't hurt almost at all. So overall, really not too bad at all.
All right, man. Thanks for your time.
Thanks.
So what do you think, Whitney? We'll never see this kid again. He's moving out of the area. And he doesn't have a family history of much more hair loss, so he's probably one and done.
Yeah, I think we did a really, really good job. I think he likes it, and I think he pulls off that bleach hair. I like it.
You know, I was going to dye my hair blonde like that when I was in college. What do you think I'd look like with blonde hair?
Oh, my God.
If we can help you, give us a call.